Okay, it's hide and go seek time. 2 minutes.
Guys got 2 minutes now.
I don't. Go back.
3, 4, 5, 6.
I don't know where to hide. I'm going inside.
I can't figure out how this thing works. Got it. Shh. Okay, found my spot.
51, 52, 53, 54, 55. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
He's afraid. There. Do you see him down there?
119 or 120. All right. Got 2 minutes. Ready or not, here I come. Okay.
Caleb! Why? What? Get all the way down, get all the way down. He can see the print cracks. Oh, it's pokey back there? Oh, it's sappy.
Okay. Pretty good. Nope.
But if he sees you, don't. No, it's good. Get down. He can see you through the crowd.
Where are you? No, I'm there. No?
Come on.
No. It's all over your shorts to work in this.
No, it'll wash off.
But I have to work tomorrow.
Yeah, it'll wash off easy.
In the water.
In the chlorine. So as soon as we see him, we get all the way down. Okay?
Yeah.
Like laying down.
No, it's so dirty.
I'm already getting down.
I was gonna hide in that chicken coop.
The chicken coop?
Yeah.
You're in the doghouse?
That's not a doghouse.
It is.
No.
It was a doghouse. I don't know what it is anymore.
Oh, shoot, he's right there in the kitchen. In the kitchen. I saw him. Oh, shoot.
How's that finding people?
Find them. I see them outside. Oh.
No! I'm running.
I see.
I'm running.
I see. I
Wait.
see.
Nah.
I see.
You haven't seen it yet.
Gotcha.
Dang.
Dude, he's still not go there.
No, how do you know he was?
Hey, I see you guys through the thing. It's cracked.
So, Caleb's it.
Next.
My face is turning out.
You guys even did Caleb even record anything?
Bro, I'm not recording anymore.
Why not?
Why not?
I will in a minute. What's the short
Oh,
time?
I gotcha.
So Caleb's the first?
Yes, he is.
Bro, you.
Hey, Caleb.
Caleb.
What's that?
Caleb.
He put some sticking on me.
What's this short?
Yeah, look at the back of my shirt.
What? Ooh.
I went to go hide.
You're,
there.
you're hiding. Mm-hmm. Oh. What?
I had the video zoomed in on my face for like 2 minutes.
Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 130, 9, 10.
30. There's no way he's at 30.
I'll find
I'll go downstairs. Huh? I'll go downstairs. We just can't go in those 2 rooms in the very back. I have a spot for you. I have a spot for you. I was just saying open. I have a spot for you.
Underneath the carpet?
No.
I'll see it.
The laundry room. No, for you. No, behind. Way away. No, if you hear him coming, then just hide it or something. Just crawl back and sit right down there.
I'm supposed to climb up. You.
What's in there?
It's leaking. Oh, it's leaking. No.
Okay, let's just, I don't know what's wrong with that. Sit in the corner. I'll cover you. And if I hear someone coming, if you hear someone coming, just turn it off. Hurry, I'm gonna get found. That's when you hide. They have to go sit in the bathroom. Oh, cover you. I'm gonna get that, take that one right there. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take this lid. Put it right there. Oh shoot, dude. Yeah, do that. I'll put this right here in the corner. And then I'll do something like that. Alright, this hopefully hits you.
I do gotta whisper though. Because so I'm in a pitch black area. I'm in the laundry room. And Caleb's coming to find us.
I got nowhere to hide. Oh no. No, I'm just gonna stand right here. Out in the open, you know? Maybe he'll just look in here and won't realize. That looks like I could go right there. Alright. Oh man. There's no room. Yeah. Let's go sit around this bowl. Alright. This is nice. Okay. Just sit here like this. Oh, that's very comfortable. I'll tell you guys when it comes downstairs.
42, 43, 44, nude. Okay, 45, 46, 47, 48. Hundred, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 119, 120. Oh, dude, that took so long. Alright, first we got chicken here. We chillin'. Got chicken here. Just quick glance, we're chilling. Did they go outside?
No. Not this way.
Boogity boogity. Dang. What's upstairs? Checked. I guess. Kick it. What's up, Dad?
No, hi. Man, I was hoping that you would come in here and then you would like look like right over here, you know, and see like, oh, there's no one there, and then yeah, well, that didn't work out. That was nice.
I definitely didn't ask your mom if you guys were outside or not.
What'd you say?
No.
Oh.
Oh, I thought that did work. Find me.
How did you find me?
Oh, my phone. Oh, which other?
Dude, how did you find it first? They can see your fingers, dude.
Oh, it's on.
Okay, get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of
My
here.
fingers, dude.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, no.
Where'd you hide?
what?
Where'd you hide?
The gym?
Yeah.
The weight room right there? I just hid in the closet sitting in the corner, hoping that he would walk in and like look this. Oh, okay, it's so open that no one will see me.
Oh no. Well, if you're gonna search, you're gonna search everywhere.
Yeah, but I know, but like, what if he was like rushing around, you know, and he was just trying to find us really fast?
Have you looked outside yet?
No.
You didn't look outside?
No, he asked my mom and she said no.
Oh.
Okay, it's 200 seconds.
200
I
minutes.
do 100. I do 130 seconds. Give me extra 10 seconds.
Alright.
I'm gonna put my phone across the room. Dude, I'm so smart. No, he'll look in here, right?
No. Put your phone in. Like.
No, but where am I gonna hide it?
12, 111, 110, 109.
Do it. There's. Oh no, because he has a flashlight.
No, he's not. No, look.
He's already tried.
No, look. No, because he came in here earlier. Go hide.
I'm out.
97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92.
Here's plug in. Shoot. Oh, perfect.
4, 3, 2, 1. All right. I'm coming. Can't be doing that long.
Oh, it's all wet and on the floor here. And whose clothes are those?
This is mine. I didn't put them dirty clothes
Yeah,
yet.
yeah,
Where's mine? Okay.
because it's wet and it's on the floor.
Yeah, me neither did after we went to the pool, I think. Actually, I don't even know we took. Yeah, we took a shower. Alright. Enoch. What is that? Let's see. Shoot, man. Man, stupid acting a bunch of games. I don't even know. I don't know what you.
Did you find my phone?
Yeah, that's how I found you.
Oh, really?
That's smart. Ethan should do that. Not me, isn't smart. All right. Ethan. He has to be near an outlet though. His phone's charging. Can't have gone that far. Don't think there's any outlets in here. Where's he?
Have you not found it?
Where's he gone? In there, Sarah. Wait, is he in there? Oh, is he actually? Oh. Oh. Are you kidding me? Dude, on the camera, I couldn't see you. All I saw was black blob. That's the only reason why I saw you.
Hey, what?
How'd you get in here? Where were you at? Where were you at before?
Where's Caleb at?
Where were you at before?
I heard you talking to Caleb.
Wait, hold on. Where were you at before?
no,
I know. Where were you at before?
The bathroom.
Where at? Under the sink?
Huh? No. Oh, you think I could fit on there?
We looked at the bathroom. You're not in there.
Come here. I had my phone, so look.
You're from first.
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
Oh, Caleb! Oh my gosh! I didn't know he was here.
I heard you guys talking.
Okay.
So look, I plugged the charger
Yeah.
into this. So then you would think it's just going to this, and then I have my phone like that, just black though, because I know. But look.
So show yourself.
No, but you can still hear everything. I was hiding like this.
Since you come by, you'll see your phone right there. I think that you're hiding there.
Alright.
You know?
Yeah.
And you think over there somewhere. Oh, shoot. Put it on the floor. Just put it on the floor. Yeah, like that. Come on.
Tell me when we're outside.
Shoot. I'll hold it up there, but you can't really pull this thing down because I don't know how to work. No, I don't know how to work it. With this room contraption, things don't fall on my head.
Trust me.
Oh, Caleb, here, close it on me. Here, put these two things in front of both the doors. Here. Put both of these things in front of the doors. And also move the door back there too.
Okay. I'm gonna wait for you.
Okay.
No, that light gives it away.
No, I turned it off.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's so hot in here. I'm sweating already. Look at this. Just cranking this little thing.
I'm in here, comfy. You need some help up there? I got you, yeah. It's definitely in the freezer, yeah. Good.
You never know.
Good move.
No?
No, I'm telling you, he's not in here.
Oh.
I mean,
No
nope,
way.
that doesn't open.
Oh my! You told me I was in here, didn't
Why
you?
would you look in there?
You told me I was in here, didn't you?
No, I didn't tell him anything.
No, he didn't tell me anything.
I was talking on the replay.
Yeah, he's on the room.
Did he tell you?
He told me right away. No, I actually didn't tell him.
Yeah, he did tell us.
Oh.
I did nothing to be in there.
Okay.
Oh, dude, that felt so
Ethan,
hard.
we're hiding together. I got a good spot for us.
Oh, yeah. You do? Both of us?
Oh yeah. I have a really good spot.
In the kayak?
I have a really good spot.
Where's it at? Tell me.
What are you doing?
Alright.
Making babies.
Whoa! So, we're just gonna set up. We found somewhere else. We have two angles over there. I don't know yet. I was gonna do somewhere outside. I thought. I think we were just like that. On top. Wait, it's just. Leave it like that because it was already kind of open.
That's gonna distract me so much.
Should we go over there? way back in there? Or do you want to? Or I was thinking, go back there.
Oh, again?
Yeah. Or like you sit. Okay, then you go right here or something. Then.
Dude, that's obvious.
Obviously, with my shirt.
Yeah, see?
Oh shoot. Or we can go like down there, below, like right below the. Because like, give me a second. Here, no, like he's not gonna catch 130. I'm gonna hide behind the trash can right here. Angle. Want a kiss? Just quiet.
We're not dead, I just love him.
Yeah. Is it good? Is it good? He's up there. Somewhere. Is it clear? Is it clear? Let's go. What? I don't see him, but I keep hearing noises. Okay, let's just go. I'm gonna run over there until I can go the other way. Climb up the wall. We can. Yeah, we can. We can. Yeah. Okay, so let's stay here for a second. You can stay there for a second. Stay here for a second. Okay, so we gotta climb up this thing right here.
Can you give me a boost?
Wait, what is this? So there's water right here. Let's turn on. I never knew there's a faucet right there. Oh. Drink it, you won't. Drink it, you won't. Oh, it's probably like chemicals in there. That's good. Okay, hurry up. No, just jump.
What?
Here, I'll do it. I can help you get up. Here, hold it. Just hold the camera.
If you boost me. Okay. Stand right there and pull me up.
No, because you have to use this to hold yourself up. Because you have to grab onto this thing to help you pull yourself up. So, I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna put my phone right here. Okay. I have my phone so it won't fall over. I'm gonna jump over. This is gonna break.
No way y'all were back here. Jump, you won't. No balls. No balls.
I almost had it.
Where's he?
Oh, he just ran.
No way he jumped.
I had to. Crap, I gotta count again. I should have let him go first. Man. Wrong kind of cup here. Oh my gosh! Oh. Don't tap me. I can't. You can. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, it's hot as balls, man. Oh my god, though. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Where's your phone at?
Huh?
Where's your phone at?
Like,
You weren't recording at all?
no, I forgot.
Oh, ooh, ow, that hurt. Why did it did? Oh, it was so hot up here.
I thought you guys were in the garage
No.
that whole time.
Oh, dude, honestly, I'm feeling like so sweaty. I have to climb up with that thing twice. Oh, no.
The whole time.
Oh, dude, honestly, I'm feeling like so sweaty. I have to climb up with that thing twice. Oh, yo.
Oh, yeah.
I'll be your cameraman.
Dude, that's the third time already in your house that I've hit my head.
Why is it zoomed in so far?
I don't know.
Just leave it there and put your phone like on the floor. So he thinks his phone's. No, I should turn it off because then it'll kill his phone even more. Dude, his phone's on fire. Holy. I'll split his and top yours. He'll have no idea. Alright, I'm a cameraman now. I haven't found.
I thought you guys were up there. Dude.
No,
Record this.
because usually.
That dog head.
Where?
That's scary as fuck.
Dog head.
Yeah.
Where you look?
There's a dog head up there.
Oh, it's like a little wall.
It scared me. Not even gonna lie.
Well, the thing is, the thing we used to do if there's no car, we used to grab the ladder. And we used to get there because this thing.
I was with you.
Because this thing, I don't even know how to work this thing, so I'm gonna just fall on top of us. Wait, hey, I'm trying to record you. Did you get him? Did you get him?
You're gonna do the trap.
Okay, so who's counting now?
We're hiding underneath the stairs.
Oh, that means I have to count.
What stairs?
Outside.
The deck stairs.
Oh,
Together, and then you came out, you walked right on top of us.
Yeah, right on top was so.
so bad.
My back hurts.
I don't know how you were doing that. Oh. Also, I walk on my feet all day. You don't.
No, I do. I do it for longer.
Yeah, pretty much.
I have to do it for longer. I mean, you at least get to sit down on a chair. I don't even get to sit down at all. And if it's 4 hours, I get a break. You get back every 2 hours.
What do you do?
You're lucky. I just stand there.
Really?
Yeah, do ice cream, give people food,
Yeah,
give them cheese and meats.
that's what I do. Spend all my parents' money at Schulte's. Chicken.
Oh yeah.
Dude, I always sit in my room and get.
You guys got 50 seconds because this is the last round, so 50 seconds. 5. Okay, you gotta do 2 pull-ups first. 2 pull-ups. One more. Come on. 6, 7, 8,
Oh my!
9, 10,
Go get out of here!
11,
No!
12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Ethan. Ethan, hurry up. Ethan, hurry up. Ethan, hurry up. Hurry up. You baby. You baby. We're shocking everyone right now. I thought you knew. Shoot. Oh, dude, he's so shook it up.
I don't want mine to explode everywhere. With your teeth? No, you're gonna break your tooth. You won't?
No.
Here, do it with mine. I don't care if you do
Here, you can just have
No,
that.
I want mine.
You just have that one.
All mine.
Hold it then, God. Oh, that was a good one. Oh my. Oh no, I can't get mine. There's some cans where you can and some cans.
Come on,
where you
ready?
can't. No, do mine for me. Do mine for me. How do you
No,
do
I
it?
can't.
You can?
Ready? 3.
Well, no.
Wait, hold on. I can't even get the back of my
Okay, I got it.
Shoot.
I got it. But I spilled half of it. I don't care.
Ready? 3, 2.
I can't get it off.
I just drank an entire bottle of water.
No. You.
45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excuse me. Here I come.
It's coming up my nose.
I'm hiding.
Oh God.
Actually, it kind of looks like something like that. Move back there. Hold up. Oh, I don't really think it's so hot. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? You know where they're at? Hmm? Do you know where they're at? I don't know what to see you. Alright. Ow! Oh! Oh, that hurt. Oof. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, now come back here with me. On their side of the fence.
Shut up.
Here, I'll film.
Are you coming up here?
Hold on. Here, up here. We're definitely not allowed to do it.
You made me laugh and it came up my nose.
I'm gonna throw up.
Oh, my toes, dude. I can't wear my shoes.
Why?
Did you see my blisters?
Nah.
Yeah, that's why.
Loosen them up some.
I can't even wear them. You're supposed to get a tan line. Chocolate line? I know.
My brother, he's like white. He never tans. But this year, the first year he tans, he has the best charcoal lines I've ever seen.
Really?
Yeah, it's like perfect.
Oh, this is a good view.
Yeah. Are you still recording? With your flash on? Or no, it's fine.
I think on the roof. I didn't even think about going on the roof, actually.
We've won pretty much.
Just because we shot at that, pretty much.
Bro, and we just left our cans over there.
I threw mine.
If he comes over there, he's gonna know it's us.
It's all on recording.
Dude,
We have to watch that.
it tastes so much better over there. Like drinking it that way is so much better.
I know.
It tastes so much better.
Yeah.
Like, it's nothing to do. But then it goes everywhere.
Just use your pointer teeth. This one. Oh, you have braces.
No, it's I don't.
Is that you?
It's okay.
That came out of my nose. I don't walk to McDonald's.
I don't have money.
I have money.
I had a 20, but then mine just disappeared. How much money do you have?
Like 50.
Actually, in cash?
Yeah.
If we walk, are you paying for me?
What do you mean your 20s, 30s? But it's all.
I lost 20. I brought 40.
No way. Oh, is that what you were looking for?
Yeah, and then I come back and it's just gone. Like,
Someone definitely stole it.
yeah, but like I didn't show anybody it. It was like
People go through bags.
they do.
Yeah.
I had mine in a hidden pocket too. I must have really went through it. Yeah, because every time me and Caden would come back, his sock would be out of my bag. I'm surprised they didn't take our phones.
Oh, yeah, that's true. That's so obvious.
It's locked too. So.
Yeah. They probably opened it.
Yeah, but I had $18 in there, like in cash. Damn, bro, we got fat.
Hold it. I need to count.
You feeling? Bro, it's upside down. All that's gonna be upside down.
Are you kidding me? That's a neighbor's yard. They are. Oh my God. Oh, they went outside the vicinity, so they both lose. Oh, I'm just gonna sit here until they come back, because they left the property.